All right, so we're going to call your nickname's going to be Cruz,
Okay.
since you're kind of a cruise guy right now.
Yeah.
All right, Cruz, you mind if we video you for 100 million YouTubers?
All right.
He's
All right.
cruising around.
Now, what you have here, you have some spots on your head. That's not why you came in today, but we really saw these things and we're concerned. Now, this one up here is not oily. It's kind of scaly. This one looks like an actinic keratosis to me. This one here could be a seborrheic keratosis. It is kind of oily, and the same with this one here. Now, back here, we have a couple more of these spots. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat all these for you with liquid nitrogen.
Okay.
What do you think about that, Cruz?
Sounds all right.
What's your plan for rescuing the economy?
You got him off right there.
Less government spending.
Less government spending. Okay. All right. We're gonna start here towards the back. Gonzo, get a close up in there. Can you see?
Yes.
All right. We're gonna do these for you. Are you ready, my friend? It's gonna be cold.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
1,
Dose.
2. Dose. Okay, we can go Spanish here. This one's a little bit bigger. Ready?
3. 4.
Now this one here, I need you to close your eyes really tightly. Okay. There you are. Good. I'm gonna kind of cover you there a little bit too. All right. Now we're gonna wait a few seconds here, and then we're gonna freeze them all again. We have to go through 2 complete freeze-thaw
Did you
cycles.
see my mole? It didn't come off. And no, I don't want you to freeze. No, it hurts.
It's because you scratched it or something.
I'm a wimp.
Why are you so pale? You need to get some sunshine. You're looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Isn't she too white? Look how white she is.
I
Well,
told
she
my
is.
mom.
She's too
I think
white.
I belong to the milkman.
Oh, really?
I'm the only white one in my family.
Really?
Yes.
You are very light-skinned. I bet if you got some sunlight, you would darken up quite a bit. No?
I won't. I tried.
Poor Cruz. He's having to put up with all this. Hey, are you going to vote in the primary?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay. I'm actually registered this year. I might actually participate in the political process. I haven't decided.
I was going to see if I go to the U of H. They may already be sold out by now.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, Nat supposed to look for a parking spot yesterday because
For the big primary? Isn't that like
Yes.
coming up in a couple of weeks or something?
today, either today or tomorrow. I think.
Oh,
it
it's
is.
just like early voting, I think. All right, here we go. You ready? We're going to do number 2. Here we are, Mr. Cruz. 1, 2. Now we're going to get the big one here. You ready? 3, 4. That one really bothers me. Okay, close tightly. 5. Hey, you did great. How
Okay.
was it?
painful.
It's all right.
All right, now
Stung
you-
a little bit, but other than that, it's good.
You don't have to do anything special with these, but you might want to wear a hat for a few days because they're
Uh-huh.
going to get kind of irritated and red, and then they should dry up and just sort of peel off or fall off.
Okay.
All right, my friend. We'll see you
Thank
later,
you.
okay? For other reasons, you're in for a physical this morning, which we're doing, and we're taking care of EKG blood work. And we have a history of diabetes, high blood pressure, elevated cholesterol problems, and mild osteoarthritis, correct?
Right.
And we had a medication problem. We didn't tolerate the metformin, so we've taken them off metformin this morning. We're starting Tragenta. But anyway, while you're here today, we see these spots, and my friend Pablo here was telling me his wife was concerned about those, right?
Correct.
How long have you had those?
Several years.
Several years,
Yes.
yeah, and they're getting larger and darker, aren't they? Right, these are actinic keratoses, so the way we treat these is with some liquid nitrogen, and we do a little spray, and we should make these go away. Gonzo, I'm going to trade places with you. How are you today, Miss Gonzo?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're Pablo. She's Gonzo.
Oh, she's
Yeah, I know.
so hungry.
Nobody has a correct name. All right, once you close your eye tightly for me, we're going to do the bottom one first. Ready? A little bit there. One more on the top. Ready? Close that eye tightly. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles. Comprende? You understand? Okay. I know your English is very good, but it's not your first language. It's your second language, right?
Right.
My second language is, I don't know. I don't have a second language. Spanish a little bit. Un poquito español. Gonzo, what have you been up to lately?
Yeah.
You ready for Christmas yet? Thanksgiving? What are you getting me for my birthday?
I'm not supposed to tell you.
Okay, there better be a gift or else.
No, there's no gift for you. Though.
All right, let's see if these have thawed out by now. But what these are going to do, they'll kind of swell up a little bit. They'll get angry for a few days. They'll turn red, and then they'll
They'll
dry.
talk to you.
They'll dry up a little bit, and then they'll just peel
What
off.
to say?
Okay, you got it, Pablo?
Okay,
They just
but-
kind of peel off.
all right. Thank
I'm just feeling them to make sure they're thawed.
While you're talking about doing that again, I have a story for you, but you keep doing that.
Okay, you ready to get sprayed?
Right.
All right, close that eye tightly.
I went to Jack in a Box the other day with Mr. Gonzo.
You good?
And the guy goes, "Do you want any sauce?" And I said, "Yes, fire."
Fire.
Yeah, but there's a problem.
What?
Jack in a Box doesn't carry fire sauce. They only carry hot sauce.
Right.
I said fire. Mr. Gonzo repeats it.
Fire.
Tells the guy starts looking for fire sauce. And then he's like, "Oh, wait. What's fire sauce?" Fire sauce only comes in Taco Bell, not Jack in a Box.
Right.
But Dodo Head was still looking for it.
Well,
Yeah, that
at
was a
least
nice
he let
story.
you know the correct answer. All right, how
No.
was it? Did that hurt a lot?
No, only just the
Just a
beginning,
little
just
sting,
the-
right?
Yes.
Good deal. Hey, man, Pablo,
Doctor, thank you very
happy
much.
Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas. Don't
Thank
worry
you.
about these. You can put a Band-Aid on them if you want to, but you do not have to. What else do we have?
Okay.
Here. Okay,
What
that's
is that?
that's actually a little skin tag, but it may have an actinic keratosis underneath. So we're going to go ahead and freeze that and get rid of it. We have a little spot right there we're going to do. And we have a spot.
Is that?
Yeah, that's actually the same thing. It just has a little scaling on it. He's got two there. We're going to do one.
And then this.
Okay,
What
that
is
right there. Does that drain sometimes?
Yes.
Okay, that is a sebaceous cyst, and we're going to leave that alone for now because it's kind of small. But that's just a plugged oil gland, and in time it can get larger, and if it spontaneously drains, it's usually not a problem. All right, but all these we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some freezing with the liquid nitrogen. Okay, and we have to freeze all of these twice, okay? So
Okay.
here we go. Get ready. This is going to feel cold. But remember, the most important thing is I won't feel a thing.
Oh, man, that's cold. Oh.
Did you hear something, Gonzo? I didn't hear anything. Cold, huh? Actually kind of burns.
Oh, honey.
I'm getting close to the end here.
Dr. Gilmore enjoying every bit of it.
Fine, just because I like my job.
Man,
Okay, so we're going to do a timeout now in the video. Closer so you can see. All right, so what we have to do with these actinic keratoses is we have to complete 2 freeze-thaw cycles. So we've done one, and right now, just by feeling, we can tell that that they've warmed back up. So they have thawed, and so now we're going to start the second round of freezing, and which, unfortunately, for my patient, has proven in the past to be more painful than the first one. So here we go. Was it more painful? He's not able to speak, apparently.
Biting a bullet. It's just,
We gave him some rawhide, didn't we?
Yes, that's more painful.
I told you. See? I'm nothing if not honest. That's cold. Brr. See, it's burning in the middle, but it's kind of cold around the edges,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
That's right. Just 2 more to go.
good.
No, just 1 more to go. This was the worst one right here. Woo, that's cold. Brr. All right, we're done. Okay, so that's it. These will, don't turn the video off yet. These will get red and kind of angry looking for a few days. They'll dry up, and the little raised part of the tissue will just peel off in time. And so there's no need to do anything like bandages or anything on this. This will be just fine uncovered. Okay? Good work. You were a good patient. We're going to start rolling now. This is our patient, Double Decker. Mr. Decker, how are you today?
I'm fine.
You're on camera now, okay?
Okay.
And you're okay if we video your procedure for our friends on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, you've got some bumps on your head and you got a little bump on your back we're going to work on for you today.
Okay.
How's your blood pressure been doing?
It's good. I keep it under control
Yeah.
with quinapril.
Yeah? You take
Generic
it.
Accupril.
All right, good, good. And what other medical problems do you want to share with our fans?
Oh, I have
Right there for me.
lymphedema.
Lymphedema. Do you
I
know
have
what? Close your eyes for me. This is a seborrheic keratosis we're going to freeze. A little liquid nitrogen. That was cold, wasn't it?
yeah.
It's supposed to be. If it's not,
Just a little bit.
if it's not cold, we worry about you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you get these from time to time when we freeze them and they fall off, right?
Yes, I've had them treated before.
Right. And they come back, or they come back in a different spot. But they're not dangerous. These don't have to be removed. I'm just doing this kind of as a courtesy because you just don't like the way it looks, right?
Yeah, it's more my wife's concern that
Yeah.
she hates seeing those bumps on my forehead.
Right. So another way to treat them is we can just scrape them off, right? We could do that, but we just like to freeze them and let them fall off. We think that's easier and usually it has a fine result.
Yeah, it's done,
Yeah.
less risk of infection.
That's right, and also if we scrape them off, people tend to walk out of here with blood sort of dripping down. We don't like that.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
yeah. People get scared if you're in the lobby and there's blood dripping off your forehead. Nah,
Yeah.
we don't send people out like that. You know, I'm just messing with you. Okay, what other medical problems are we treating you for?
Well, here I have had some dietary treatment.
Uh-huh.
I've gone through that.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, blood pressure.
Your blood
there's
sugars?
Other conditions that I have done taken care of by specialists. There's
Some limited doctors,
I
right?
have hyperactive urinary bladder.
Mm-hmm. You have
problem there.
overactive bladder. You're on some
And,
medication for that.
I
That's
have,
working, right?
Obstructive sleep apnea.
Yep. You wear a mask.
Yeah, CPAP at night. And I also
How do you feel if you don't wear that CPAP?
It tends. I tend to be more drowsy during the day.
Mm-hmm. That's very
Less
dangerous.
energy.
Very dangerous not to treat your sleep apnea. Okay, close
Yeah.
your eyes. We're going to freeze this again. We freeze all of these twice. So we go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles here. And then what this will do, it'll get angry and swell up a little bit, and then it'll just dry and peel off, right? Okay, so we got the one on the front. We got a couple, looks like, on the back we're going to roll over and do. Hang on for me. So here's another seborrheic keratosis here. And I'm blocking the camera, but you got a little one over there. So we're going to get these. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
These are a little bit smaller. That one you had on the front was awfully thick.
Yeah, it's a bad one.
Yep. Okay. And then you have a little one I wanted to get right there. Oh, don't go anywhere. You're fine. Right there. We'll get it for you. There you go. When we have to let these thaw, we have to go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles to get complete desiccation of the lesion.
All right.
And then we'll take care of your Weiner's dilated pore that you have on your back. That's what that's called, that little bump. Now you've got lots of little bumps, but we're taking care of the ones that you have requested that we take off.
All right.
Okay, so so you take a couple of medicines, one for the prostate, right? And you take the blood pressure medicine, right?
Yes, I do. Yes, that's right.
Okay, so what I'm doing, the reason I'm feeling this is I want to make sure that these have warmed back up. That's why I keep touching, in case anybody who's watching this wonders. You want to make sure that the lesion has thawed before you freeze it again, or it doesn't really work. Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta 7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta 7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta 7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. I just got tested today and it was 5.4.
5.4.
And my doctor Gilmore said it was the help of the Meta 7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta 7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. and I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.